Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Monday, February 2nd, 2015. I wanted to highlight a chart today that I think should be really interesting because of the bullish consolidation pattern it's forming. Take a look at Sprint here. Sprint's trading down 2 pennies on the day, earnings to be reported after the bell. Now again, usually you don't want to mess with a stock going into earnings, and again, if you're kind of scared or if you're a little bit more risk adverse, you don't want to mess with this. But I personally am going to hold a little bit into earnings because of the bullish pattern. All right, I love charts like this. See the consolidation here? Good consolidation. That's bullish consolidation. See the green candle. Also, what I look for here is a chart that's at the 52-week lows or just off of it. And you can see here, the stock was trading near $10. It's basically more than in half at this point. You were trading down about 60% from that level. And again, notice you made a pivot low. You went up. You consolidated here. You pushed up into the 50. Now you're consolidating. And again, what I like about this is, listen, in all fairness, they could report earnings and the stock could go down. But what's your downside risk versus upside reward? Analyze that. That is the key. So right away, first of all, take a look at your downside. It's already at basically 52-week lows. So maybe it goes back here. Maybe it goes back to 380. So your downside risk, you're talking about 50 cents, 45 cents max downside risk. All right, upside. Where's the upside potential? Well, here are your resistance levels. Your resistance levels, first one isn't until $5.10. So we're talking upside potential to about basically 80 cents to $5.10. Then you have 550 right here, and ultimately this area right in here, which again, gap fill at around 593. So again, sure, there's some risk. Anytime you hold anything into earnings, there's risk, and you generally don't want to do it. But I think this one should get our attention on Sprint because, again, the bullish consolidation, and again, even if it doesn't work out, okay, so you're risking a little bit to the downside versus some nice movement to the upside. In my personal opinion, even if this sells off a little on earnings, I think it's a buying opportunity to be able to be accumulated on. There's always the chance that they merge with T-Mobile still or have some other big deal announcement going on. Plus, again, the bullish consolidation pattern is a sweet setup. All right, folks, again, just wanted to pass this along. Very rare I do this, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up on something I like going into earnings today. And again, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com, making money hand over fist. Day trading has been amazing, and even swing trading now that oil is starting to rock and roll, squeezing to the upside is amazing as well. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.